Hi, this is Eric Stromquist with your 2-minute video editorial. Okay, today I want to talk about full service versus internet-only distributors. So let me start out by saying that I'm a big believer in the internet. I think every distributor should have an online ordering platform for their customers. So what has me concerned is some trends I'm noticing in the industry regarding internet-only distributors and some manufacturers. So one of the most successful internet-only distributors created and posted a promotional video a couple of months ago that really got me thinking. And I think the best way to sort of understand the issue is to take a look at some cuts from that video.
We take the order from the customer through our online site. We pass that order directly to the manufacturer, and then the manufacturer drop ships that product directly to the customer.
Okay, so there are at least 3 things I could see that are wrong with this. First of all, the more manufacturers you get involved in a single order, the more chances you have of potential errors. The second thing is that this is the exception, not the rule. It's a little bit like having a guest come over and you say, help yourself to a beer, and they take all your beer, all the food in your refrigerator, and take your house and maybe your wife too. It's not what was intended when manufacturers developed direct ship. The final thing that's wrong with this, it looks like all these are going to a customer in Orlando, Florida, where Stromquist & Company has a warehouse.
If you've got more than 50% of your money tied up in the warehouse, half of your executive time is going to be spent on warehouse issues.
So am I the only one that's noticing that they are blowing up a bricks and mortar distributor in this video? So in our industry, there is another channel for people that just sell product and don't stock it. They are called reps. Factory reps, and they typically go out, sell the product. The manufacturer pays them a commission for promoting and selling their product. The distributors stock the product.
We made it happen. Pretty soon we'll have Amazon knocking on our door trying to figure out what we've done better.
Really? Okay, so let's look at what full service distributors do. The big thing full service distributors do for you is they stock local inventory. And most of the people I know in this industry stock anywhere between $250 to $3 or $4 million worth of inventory. They also go out and hire and train qualified people to help you with your product selection. They have counters that you can go in and these people can help you select your products. If you're having a problem with the product, they can troubleshoot it. They also do warranties for you, which costs the distributor money. The other thing that distributors, full service distributors invest in is talented people to go outside. So if you sell a product on a job and are having a problem, a full service distributor will send somebody qualified out to help you with that problem. All of this costs money. So manufacturers, as I see it, they really fall into 3 categories. You got the people like Honeywell and Johnson that just get it. They really appreciate their 2-step distribution network. They protect them, and they don't buy into all this internet-only nonsense. They differentiate between internet-only and full-service distributors. You have a second group that got involved with this internet thing sort of at the get-go, and now they're trying to right the ship, and they're doing the best they can to sort of get back on track. And in the third category, which is the biggest category, and this is who I'm talking to primarily here, the manufacturers that just don't get it yet. Imagine that you're riding along in a boat, you got a gun, and you're shooting holes in the bottom of your boat. Sooner or later, it's going to sink. So for those manufacturers, here's what I'd like you to do. Don't drop ship for internet-only distributors. And if you do, charge them for it. Okay, you've got to give better discounts for your full-service distributors. They're providing more value in the marketplace. They have a higher cost structure, and you have to balance the scales by giving them a better price. Okay, contractors and users, hey, support your local distributor. Anybody can have a low price these days. Just don't stock any inventory. Don't have people that can talk about the product, and don't provide any service. But hey, at the end of the day, you get what you pay for, and your local distributors are going to create the best value for you. Okay, so now I want to hear from you. Is this a problem? So let me know in comments. I'll look forward to hearing from you. And then you can also tell a friend. The easiest way to do that is click on that button right there, and you can forward this post to anybody. So I'm Eric Stromquist, and that's your Control Trends editorial. Please check us out at www.controltrends.com.